The reality is that we almost always need coaches, guides, inspirations in our lives in one way or another, not because we are bad or we just cannot do anything in our lives or we're not good enough, but because of the kind of inspiration we sometimes lack. We need from them because they are better men than us. There have always been essentially better, greater, more successful, wiser, intelligent, and virtuous men, obviously in the past, present, and they'll be there in the foreseeable future also in one way or another. And we are not the best, we definitely are not, but we are delusional, stupid, arrogant, ignorant enough to believe that not only are we being educated, perfect, sophisticated in our lives, but that we're also always righteous and doing, thinking, saying all the right, reasonable things. But the contradiction is the case. In reality, the opposite is the truth. In reality, there is only disconnection, ignorance, hatred amongst each other, against other success, progress, growth, prosperity. In reality, in society, there is only large scale competition, pretense, imitation, repetition, and no originality at all whatsoever. This is complete lack or absence of self knowledge, self awareness, self understanding, self authenticity, and so on and so forth, which inevitably leads to the collapse of the individual man and collective cohesion. So, definitely, we need role models in our lives from any field. The field could be anything. We can admire people from any field we want, which we want to be successful at. Either it's literature or philosophy or music or dance or singing, it could be anything. It's important that we have role models. It's important that also we try to emulate them and we actualize that sort of knowledge. We develop self awareness, self knowledge, and self understanding also regarding and bordering around our own shortcomings, weaknesses, deficiencies, flaws, and try to rectify, correct those wrongs. And our talents, obviously, goals, merits need to be recognized, and obviously, that is the thing. And we obviously imitate them also in reality. It's learning from them because knowledge which is not supported and backed by self knowledge, self evaluation, becomes dangerous and threatening for itself as well as for the others. So, any knowledge, education, wisdom, success we have, we need to make sure that we are self knowledgeable, self reflective, self aware enough also in our action. We have it that we're not seeing our own problems in the others, that we have resolved our internal conflicts, and that we have developed consciousness, cultivated integration, and grown